In this video, I will show you how to integrate Outlook with Slack. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Add Apps and then simply search for Outlook. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose Slack for Outlook, as you can see, or if you want, you can choose Outlook Calendar, depending on which one you need. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add, then simply click on add to Slack. As you can see, this will help you with emails. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to simply click on get it now, and then you're gonna be able to use Outlook and Slack at the same time. Now if you want to install Outlook Calendar, you're gonna have to do the same process. So simply click on add to Slack, then click on allow, and then you're gonna have to simply wait until your account connects and then simply accept the permissions, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.